Happy 13th year anniversary langga, Chubs, baby, daddy, di ba? Sa takadugay naton, tanan nga endearment, nagamit na. 10 years of being boyfriend and girlfriend, 3 years of being engaged. Finally, today is the day, our wedding day. Elia! Thank you, bride! Mariel! Congratulations!
Lady V, congratulations. Napakaswerte mo. Kaya ako ang mapangasawa mo.
Swerte, ma-message ko naman kasi mahal.
Kabalo ka sang una, tanga pagkilalahay. I know there's something in you, like a good aura or a positive energy that I cannot explain. Until I found out na ikaw gali ang sabat sa akon nga prayer.
Hindi mandali ang preparation naton subong sa aton nga wedding, but God is so good. Kay finally, masealed tanagid ang aton love with each other. Front sa aton nga duwa ka nanay, family, friends, and of course, in front of God.
Two imperfect people, but what makes you closer together? Because you always have that love, a love that comes from God.
You are my best friend, my safe place, and even kita lang duwa, we make our world fantastic in happy.
The success of marriage, it is not because of Oliver. The success of marriage is not because of Lady B. But the success of marriage, it is because both of you work as one.
Siya ta karon sa lamisa ko ha. Ito tama kwan. I will give you my heart, my soul. Kay ikaw lang ang buktong nga itik nga gakapakapa sa kong dughan.
Cheers to the bride!
Simple lang man ang goals ta duwa. Trust, love, and loyalty even miles away kita nga duwa. And miski over the phone, gapray kita.
Thank you, Nay. So, ari na ta. Sa tanan mga bata, so ako ang mapamatuod nga marampa ka gid sa mga.
I've waited so long just
This wedding ceremony is a celebration not just for both of us, but of course, this is a gift to our two mothers na gusto tagid sila magmarcha. Na fulfill gid naton ang ilang nga wish nga mamarcha gid sila.
be with you, and I will never let you down.
You are my greatest gift, and I am so blessed and grateful to call you my wife. I love you, Chubbs. Lady V. La Plana.
Ma-witness mo na nga kaslo ni mo bata.
Feeling inside and saying wind blow.
I love you, Langga. I love you, Chavs. I love you, baby. I love you, Oliver Laplana. Happy 13th year anniversary. Loud and proud, magiging Lady V, Lamayan, Margalio, Laplana, nako!
I've waited so long just to be with you. I've waited so long just to find you. I've waited so long.
Ang aton nga gugma hindi kumplito, ang aton gugma kulang, but if God is at the center, God can fill in ang hindi naton mahimo.
I've waited so long. I've waited so long just to be with you, and I will never let you down. And I will never let you down.